Ang aking mahal na mag-ama ay nandun sila. Yun. Nandun ang aking mahal na mag-ama. Yan, nandito kami ngayon, guys. Nasa mood ako. Kasi medyo nakapag-rest ako ng konti. Kadaghan baglamo karon eh. Go that way. Mariki ko. Agak ang dami ba lamok nangangagat eh. Mariki ko. Go that way. This way, this way. I know it's hard to use though. I try also, like it's hard to control.
Right.
This way, my love.
Don't push, just take it down.
Hi, my love. What are you doing?
Turn on your gear.
Tell her to go this way.
Brake.
Tell her to go this way because look, a lot of cars. Oh,
Oh, wait.
this way. Go. A lot of cars ba?
Where?
This way because a lot of cars there.
Come on.
Yeah, right there.
Go. Now take her up on the parking lot. Look, you know, the place don't fall, okay?
Huh?
Take her to the parking lot.
Yeah, that's why we're here. Oh, I'm going to get the. No, it's hot. The bike is there. Oh,
Where? Come on down there.
come on, my love. What are you doing? Checking your boo boo? Why are you budo budo? Are you budo budo? What are you budo budo?
Anak budo.
Ah, budo budo.
Anak.
Yung music.
Stop. Stop. Brake. Good. See? You know how to use a brake.
Good morning, USA, and good evening, Philippines. Hi guys! Kumusta ang sinag ng ang araw sa aking mukha? Okay, aking mahal na anak nandun. Masakit sa mata ko, Diyos ka. Okay, ganyan tayo. Masakit aking mata. Naluluha ako. My love! Talayo na ba sa aking mahal na anak? Uy. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa harap ng school. Ayan, harap naman talaga ng school as usual. Na ginagawa naming playground. Ayan, kagigising ko lang guys. Naka-rest ako ng, ewan ko siguro kahit pa paano isang oras. Are you okay, my love?
Ang sana.
Ha?
Ang sana.
You're what?
Oh, mushroom. Mushroom, Mom.
Where? There's not mushroom. Don't touch it because it's itchy, anak. I feel itchy. So, nakapag-rest ako. Ayan. Kasi super napagod ako. I think napagod talaga ako, guys. Lang araw na whole day, hindi ako nakakatulog. Kasi yung anak ko, hindi naman natulog. Yung anak ko, pininturahan pala yung damit ko eh. So, ilang araw na hindi ako nakapag-rest. And, puro kami laro ng aking mahal na anak. Na-stress lang ako kasi wala na akong nakalihirang video sa aking My White Studio. Honestly, yung mga video ko dati kasi lang nakaganyan. Naka-private lang. So, at least, honestly, naubos na. Kaya, na-stress naman ako. Ayan, nag-download na ako so far. Meron ng ilang peraso dyan. Baby, come back! Anak! Dalteya! May mga arasta pa naman doon. When I call your name, ha? Answer me, put. Agday, naka. Answer me. Okay? Her bike, guys. Hindi na ako gumawa ng video din yan sa pag-unboxing ng bike niya, guys. Kasi, galing yung mahal kong asawa. Kasi pag sinano daw, lagi daw nag-unboxing. Baka naman, alam nyo na. So, bike niya hindi pink, guys. Honestly.
No, white.
Meron pa dito. Yeah.
White and black.
White and black daw yung bike niya. Okay. Give me a second.
I want it.
Ah,
Come here.
what is that? So, dito kami magbabike ang aking mahal na anak, guys. Yes, baby, here.
Yes,
Your bike is right there. I'm going to watch your camera. I don't need. I just leave it like that. Go there, go there. I'm watching you. Your what? Your butt?
Yeah, my back.
Your butt.
Ah!
What?
Mom,
Yeah.
Mommy, help me.
Uh-huh.
Ah, come on. Come on. Mom.
Okay. Go ahead, drive. Watching you.
Mommy.
Huh?
Mommy.
Where? Stay away from that. Dirty. I said stay away from that. Dirty. Come on, let's go. Go, baby. Figure it. Drive now, eh? I'm sweating. Birds. Hmm. Yeah, of course. Oh. Careful. Tata. She know what she's doing, guys. Marunong na siya umikot. Ang bilis lang niya matuto, guys. Turn around. Turn left. Yeah, left. Where are you going? Turn left, Nak. Yeah. Good job, my love. Good job. You did a good job, my love. Drive near in the glass. Yeah. Drive near in the glass. But careful. Drive near. Yeah. Glass, guys. Oh. It's a glass. No. Oh, drive now. Don't break the glass. Go. Drive now. Drive. Oh. Go ahead. May nag-iwan ng glass dito. Oh man, I'm coming. Woo! Do you think I can't? Na meron na siyang pa. exhibition. Oh man, I'm coming. Yeah, the garbage came from the other people who don't want to have garbage in their car. Yeah. Turn right. Turn right.
I'm going to catch you. Mommy there.
Huh?
More mommy. 1 minute, 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Mom.
Yeah. Go drive.
Mom.
Yes.
Oh.
Turn right. Click right. Push right.
I can't. Wow.
Wow. Careful.
You're far.
You see my shadow?
I see your shadow.
I see yours too.
You're far.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm coming, baby. I'm coming. I'm sweating, guys. You saw me? Is it my shadow? Huh? Ah! I'm coming. Ooh, I got you. Turn left. Left. Enough. Left. Turn left, please. Oh, where are you going? Enough, enough, my love. I said turn left, left.
Mom, make a video.
I did. It's on, it's on. I'm watching you. Do you think I'm not watching you? I'm coming, baby. I'm coming. Okay, I'm sorry. Just careful, okay? I'm tired. I get tired and thirsty too. Huh? What is it? What happened? You stop. Yeah. Peace out. Ah! Okay, again, peace. Peace. I'll take a picture. I'll take a picture. I'll take a picture. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Turn right. Yeah, go ahead. Continue. Yeah. Good job, my love. Good job.
I'm making left.
Yeah.
I'm making right.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm making left.
Left. Left. And right.
Right, left, and
Yeah.
right.
Unsa naman ni?
My
Heavy, heavy? Mhm.
yeah.
Ha? Ballpen. Ah, I'm coming. Okay. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm tired of running. Woo! Turn right. My love. Turn right, my love. Good job, good job. Woohoo! Yes. Ah. Ah. I'm coming. Woohoo! Yeah. But slowly lang, anak. I'm faster, but I'm slow. Ito slowly lang, anak. You're fine, my love. Careful. Mama, get tired. Get tired na. Ah. Whew. Mama, tired na, anak. Napagod ako, guys. Sobra. Sinapagod ako. I get tired. Yung anak ka nandun. So, napagod ako. I'm sweating a lot right now. As you can see. Sweating. Oh yeah, healthy. Napagod ako. Ang hirap. Ang layo na ng aking mahal na anak. I have to run. Because she's far from me. Look at her. She know how to use her bike now. My love of my life. Come back, my love. Ah. Come on. I'm tired, baby. I'm tired. Drive. You can't hear me. Drive, drive. Left. Right. Mommy at your service. Mommy at your service. Anak. Service. So, you're welcome, my love. Huh? Huh? Common service. Okay. I'm thirsty. I'm sweating a lot. Oh my god, guys. Being mother is not easy, guys. Trust me. I know that it's not easy. Even you're tired, you have to still continue to make your daughter happy or son happy, to make your children happy, you know, and it's your obligation, you know, even though sometimes it drives you crazy, but you still have to do it. You don't have to stop. You have to still continue and keep doing it. And once you get angry, oh, careful! Once you get angry, careful! Once you get angry, it's your stress. But you don't need to slap your daughter or your children. No, then Mommy service. her scooter. Kasi her scooter. This way when she's tired. Oh, yeah, candy. Dirty candy. Candy. Oh. You tired na?
No.
So this way she want to change her bike and to use her scooter, so at least we don't need to punta to our shop. Are you okay? It's my love of my life.
Why?
Are you good?
Yeah.
Mag-i-scooter na daw siya, guys. She's going to use her scooter. Come on, let's go. Scooter na daw siya.
Bye.
Thank you, baby. Aking mahal na anak. Surprise niya ako. Sabi ko kasi tired na ako. Sabi ko, let's go back to our shop, my love. And she said, no.
Bye.
Kaya yan, sinasurprisean niya ako. Hindi niya alam. Garbage yan.
Bye. Bye.
It's grass, guys. Grass.
Bye.
It's grass, my love. Oy! Enough na surprise. You're sweet. I'm sweeting a lot, my love. Come on. What happened? Are you okay? What's wrong? Your what? Your ears? You're looking for your ears? Oh, your ears is in your ears. Oh, be careful, oy! Come on. Sa scooter na daw siya, guys. So, yung bike niya ay nandun. Yeah. So, scooter time. Oh, careful, my love. Are you tired na? Are you tired? You need water? Come on, let's go to our shop na.
5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. Woohoo! Yeehaw! Ducks yan, guys, ducks. They're ducks. Yung aking mahal na anak. What happened? I'm coming. Huh? Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? You're parking? Why? Your flowers done. Yep. So you're thirsty.
8 minutes.
8 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. You. Come on. Yeah.
I'm watching them.
Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah, I'm watching you.
look. Look. Look.
My eyes.
Bing, bing.
Careful, okay? You have to watch. Slowly. Hoy! Anak, you're too fast. Stop. Stop. Napa-stop ko siya. Okay?
No.
Okay, give me a second. We're going to jump. You see? Okay.
Ah,
Okay, one, two.
ah, again.
Ah, yeah. Okay.
Oh, man. Oh, man. Ano ito? Oh, my. Ano mo yan?
1, 2, 3, go! Oh! Ah, catch. Jump.
Ha!
Woo!
Ha! 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 Ha!
Oh, this way lang.
Ha! 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 Ha!
Come on. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah! Yeah! Uy! 1, 2, 3, go. Ay! Yeah! 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah! 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah! Okay. Ganda. Let's go home na. Jump, jump. Wah! Almost. Stand there. Catch. Jump, jump. Jump, jump. 1, 2, 3, go, jump. Oh! 1, 2, 3, go, jump. Oh! Oh! Labot din niya, guys. Labot din niya. Hi, the camera is here. Yeah, come on. Not right there, the camera. Okay. I'll show you. Okay. Hey guys, here, show me. Look at me. Hi! Don't eat it. Where is it?
It's tricky.
You trick me, huh? Where's my anak? Where's my anak? Where's my anak? Peekaboo! Ah, I see you! Wait, apoy! Oh, you're ready? Let's go get your bike and scooter. Come on. Let's go get your scooter.
What is it?
I don't know. What is it? I don't know. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I see. Hey, you tricked me. Ito? Ito sa... That's guys, bow. Huh? Hey, go get your bike and scooter.
Mom,
Mm.
Mom.
1, 2, 3, go. Jump. Yeah.
Right.
Kamu na, ilat ang mosquito. Ay, dali na. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching our videos. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pagsuporta ninyo sa aming channel. Thank you very much guys. I love you all. Mag-iingat ho kayo. Mag-iingat ho tayo palagi, okay? Mag-iingat tayo palagi. I love you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yung anak ko nagbabay din. Okay guys, thank you. I love you all. Bye-bye.